Hello everyone, this is Gayatri. Hope you are doing good. Today's topic is motion and measurement of distances. What we are going to learn is measurement, non-standard unit of measurement, standard unit of measurement. First, what is measurement? Comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity is known as measurement. Here the known fixed quantity is called as unit. Distance is defined as the length of the space between two points. There are two types of measurements are there, namely non-standard units of measurement and standard units of measurements. How wide is the desk? In a classroom, there are large desks which are to be shared by two students. Two friends share one desk but frequently end up fighting that the other one is using a larger share of the desk. On the teacher's suggestion, they decided to measure the length of the desk using the danda and gilli. After measuring, they decided to make a mark exactly in the middle of the desk. The desk length is equal to 2 dandas length and 2 lengths of the gilli. After few days, the marked line gets wiped out. So, again, they plan to measure the desk's length using new set of gilli and danda. After measuring the length of the desk using new set of gilli and danda, the length is equal to 2 dandas length and 1 gilli length with a small length still left out. So, now we can't measure the exact length. So, it is a non-standard unit of measurement. Either we can use a inch tape or string or a ruler to measure the desk length. Non-standard units of measurement. Length of arms, hands or fingers of different people are different. Therefore, the distance measured with their help is not always reliable. Some of the non-standard units of measurement are handspan, cubit, footstep. Ancient measurement units of length. Footstep. The distance between the distance measured of the foot is called as footstep. Handspan. The distance between the thumb finger and the small finger when it is stretched is called handspan. Cubit. Cubit is also called as arm length. The distance between the elbow and the tip of the middle finger is called cubit. Yard. Distance between the end of the outstretched arm and their chin. Mutti, that is our fist. Angul, width of one finger. These are all the ancient measurement units of length. Some measurements. Now we are going to measure the length and width of the classroom using a foot as a unit of length. 3 students measured the length and width of the classroom using their foot, but the answers are varying because it is a non-standard unit of measurement. Measuring the width of the table with a handspan. What is handspan? The distance between the thumb and the little finger when it is stretched. So, 2 friends measured the width of the table, but the answers are different due to their size of their hand. So, it is varying. So, it is also a non-standard unit of measurement. Standard units of measurement. Standard units of measurement. this measurement are the same all over the world. In 1790, the French created a standard unit of measurement called metric system. In October 1960, the 12th General Conference on Weight and Measures adopted the International System of Units, that is called as SI units. The SI units is the set of units to maintain uniformity all over the world. Standard units of measurements. The SI unit of length is meter. Each meter is divided into 100 equal divisions called centimeter. Each centimeter has 10 equal divisions called millimeter. So, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Units which are used for measuring larger distances are called as simple multiples of units. For example, deca, hecto, kilo. Units which are used for measuring smaller distances are called submultiples of units. Example, milli, centi, deci. These are some standard units of measurement. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 foot equal to 12 inches. 1 yard equal to 3 feet. 1 mile equal to 1760 yards. Problem. The height of a person is 1.65 meter. Now we are going to express this into centimeter and millimeter. We already know the formula. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1.65 into 100 equal to 165 centimeter. Similar way, 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. And then multiply 1.65 into 1000 will get the answer. Now convert 500 meter into decimeter and kilometer. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter. So multiply the given value with 10. We'll get the final result. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 500 divided by 1000 equal to 0.5 kilometer. Answer the following. Define measurement. The distance between Ram's home and his school is 3450 meter. Express this distance into kilometer. Convert 3.76 meter into centimeter, decimeter and millimeter. Do the following activity and record your observations. Refer chapter 10, activity 1 in page number 97. Activity 2 in page number 98 in NCERT book grade 6 science. In first activity, instead of measuring the classroom, you can measure the length and breadth of your any room in your home. Activity 2, you can measure any table's width.